If you want to see a friend's birthday on Snapchat, you came to the right place. It's really easy to find out someone's birthday on Snapchat, and the process is the same for both iOS and Android devices. So if you are an Android user, simply follow my steps. Make sure that your Snapchat application is fully updated, and you can do that by going over to your App Store or the Google Play Store. If the application is updated, you want to open it and then go over to your Chats section. We want to go over to the Snapchat profile of the person who we want to see the birth date of. You can open the chat with that person and then click on his or her name, but if you don't have a conversation with that person, simply go over and search for that specific profile. When you get to their profile, you can see the birth date right under their name, and this person was born on the 29th of March. If I click on his birthday, it's gonna open a list of all the birthdays that my friends have. But remember, you can only view the birthdays of people who have added their birth date in their settings. So, if you can't see someone's special day, it's probably because they chose not to share it. And that's essentially it. If you have any comments or suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.